Investigative Case Action Plan. Today our daily briefing surrounds the theme of understanding how an investigative case action plan plays a major role in a sexual assault investigation and when performing victim and witness interviews, and ultimately the interrogation of the alleged sexual offender. Let us review some definitions of what an investigative case action plan should mean to you as a law enforcement investigator. According to smallbizconnect.com, an investigative case action plan is an investigative action plan integrates all of the investigative strategies you have developed throughout your investigative plan into a highly organized and prioritized plan of action designed to achieve your stated investigative mission and goals. This is achieved by breaking down the strategies you developed into a small, achievable steps and then identifying the actions you need to take for each investigative step. It can be used as a short-term, 0 to 30 days action plan to achieve short-term investigative goals, or a medium-term plan, 30 to 60 days, or a long-term action plan, 60 to 90 days. An action plan identifies the investigative goal, what you would like to achieve, and the strategies that can be implemented to reach that goal. It also explains the specific actions that need to take place in order to achieve the investigative strategy. This will include the time frame, roles and responsibilities, performance indicators, and alternative methods that can be implemented to reach the investigation objectives. Merriam-Webster Dictionary states that an investigative case action plan is a sequence of steps that must be taken or activities that must be performed well for a strategy to succeed. An action plan has three major elements. 1, specific tasks, what will be done and by whom. 2, time horizon, when will it be done. 3, resource allocation, what specific funds are available for specific activities, also called action program. The investigative insight for today is about the investigative case action plan. I state, the confidence that the law enforcement investigator has reference to sexual assault investigation direction will be predicated upon the development of a strategy that the investigator developed at the beginning of the assignment. This specifically refers to developing an investigative case action plan that is structured, complete, and thorough. You may have called your investigative case action plan by another name, such as a to-do list, a check and balance sheet, division of responsibilities, etc. I prefer ICAP, as it is the investigative strategy and plan I develop for each and every case that I investigate. I have found over the past 4 decades that planning ahead prevents poor performances. The need to be thorough is one of the essentials you as an investigator will need when preparing for the investigation. If you fail to prepare, organize, document, revamp, clarify, etc., you may miss an important intrinsic aspect of the case which could determine if a crime was committed or not. Take the time before you take any investigative steps when dealing with a sexual assault allegation to prepare the investigative case action plan. Remember, the ICAP will be always changing depending on the results of the investigation to date. As I close, take the time to do the right investigative steps the first time, and take care of those in your community who rely upon you to do your best at all times. If you haven't already signed up for one of our sexual assault investigation and interviewing webinars, go to our website at www.onedaly, and that's ONEDALY.com www.ICAP.org/webinar and sign up today. Don't miss out on our New Year 10-hour webinar special. For information about this special, go to http://www.onedaly.com/law enforcement special/ and begin educating and training your specialized unit today. For you who work in the field of specialized investigations, please take the time to check out our 50+ webinars. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.